In October, the fruits of the black tiger Katsura ripen. Belonging to the genus Katsura, it is a wild liana species. The fruit consists of many smaller berries, like a rice ball. Therefore, people call it glutinous rice ball. In the Gaoligong Mountain particularly, it has the name of monkey rice ball. It is one of the favorite fruits of Phayre's leaf monkeys. The Phayre's leaf monkey is an animal with a joyful appearance. It looks as if it is wearing white eyeshadow and lipstick after coming back from a forest masquerade. Or he could be wearing white-rimmed glasses. In fact, this is because the skin around its eyes and mouth lacks pigment, so it looks pale. The fruits of many vein sororaya are pretty small, but very juicy and tender. It is also one of the favorite fruits of Phayre's leaf monkeys. Gaoligong Mountain is covered with lush vegetation, offering the monkeys rich and varied foods. In spring, they feed on tender sprouts, new leaves, and fresh flowers. When autumn comes, the forest provides them with delicious fruits and seeds. In the southern part of China's Yunnan province, Myanmar and Thailand, tropical rainforests and subtropical evergreen broadleaf forests are home to the world's remaining fewer than 2,000 Phayre's leaf monkeys. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed them as endangered on the IUCN Red List. In China, the Phayre's leaf monkey is under first-class state protection. Rich food sources and a suitable environment are crucial for the survival of Phayre's leaf monkeys. The plants they feed on take up over 40% of the local arbor and shrub species in their habitat. Hence, the diversity of plants in their habitat is what they depend on for existence. This is one of the reasons why they became endangered. Every morning and dusk, Phayre's leaf monkeys go out to look for food. As a gregarious species, they usually live in groups. The big family of about 30 monkeys can quickly activate the entire woodland. Noon is their nap time. Their super long tails sway in the wind, which gives the afternoon woods an added lazy and cozy ambience. Phayre's leaf monkeys living in the Gaoligong Mountain are Shannicus, a subspecies from western Yunnan. They are also called the gray leaf monkey or big black lutung in Chinese. Being experts in climbing and jumping, they prefer living in the upper level of the forest. Gaoligong Mountain is a paradise for the Phayre's leaf monkeys. The complex terrains provide them with a natural sanctuary, and the abundant plant species are their unlimited food supply.